Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Biscuit Rasgulla. Let's begin by gathering our few simple ingredients. You'll need about 100 grams of your favorite digestive biscuits, some milk, and sugar. Make sure you also have a good mixing bowl and a non-stick pan on hand. This easy guide will help you create a delightful, sweet treat in no time, perfect for any occasion. Now, let's prepare our biscuit dough. First, take about 100 grams of digestive biscuits and crush them into very fine crumbs. You can use a food processor or a rolling pin for this. Next, gradually add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, 1 spoon at a time, mixing until a soft dough forms. Knead it gently for a few minutes until it feels smooth and pliable. With your dough ready, it's time to shape our rasgullas. Divide the dough into approximately 12 equal small portions. Take each portion and roll it between your palms to form a smooth, crack-free spherical shape. Precision here helps them cook evenly. Once shaped, gently drop these biscuit balls into your simmering sugar syrup, which we will prepare next. For the syrup, combine 1 cup of sugar with 2 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat and gently place your shaped biscuit rasgullas into the simmering syrup. Let them cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing them to absorb the sweetness. Serve your delicious homemade biscuit rasgullas warm or chilled as a delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.